Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. And today I'm going to talk about yogurt, and I will mention you benefits of yogurt. Along with I'll suggest you how you should add in your daily diet. And before jumping to the topic, please, I have a request to you all. Please do watch my video till the end if you are watching, because unless you don't understand the whole thing, and also you miss out those suggestions that I have made for you, and that will be beneficial for you to add this particular food in your daily diet. So here the first benefit is that yogurt helps in immunity boosting. Okay, some of those research says yogurt plays a very high, it gives a good boost in immunity. Number two, it helps us to reduce our weight. Because how it does? Because the lactic acid present in yogurt, it helps in fat burning. Okay, at the same time, yogurt makes us less craving, so therefore we are not taking much calorie in daily day basic, therefore we can deal with our weight loss program. Number three, yogurt helps in calcium absorption. Okay, because yogurt containing with vitamin D, and vitamin D is required to absorb calcium. So if you are taking calcium in your daily diet, that time you need vitamin D for the absorption of calcium. Okay, now this is the benefit of number three. Number four, it also helps in to improve bone density. Okay, because it already containing with good amount of calcium, and also it containing with vitamin D, so both are present in there. To absorb calcium we require vitamin D, and therefore, and also calcium is present there, which is one of the main compound in formation of bone. So definitely, due to present of calcium as well as present of vitamin D, calcium will be absorbed properly, as well as it will be utilized properly, and it helps us to strong our bone more. Okay, so here firstly, those are wants to improve their digestion, and therefore they want to add this particular food. So for them I can suggest you, first of all, generally you can take yogurt any time of a day. Okay, there is no problem. In general basic I am talking about, but personally I would like to suggest you, if you have any digestive issue and therefore you want to add this particular food in your diet, so before adding this, if you are having some bloating types of problem, so before this you take some prebiotics food like vegetables, legumes. Okay, and also you can personally I can suggest you, in the very first morning, right after you wake up, you go and take a lime water. Okay, and also take a slice of ginger. Okay, in your daily schedule. So that these are all things, vegetables, that lime, and also this ginger, these are all things will help, and help in that system to detoxify. At the same time, it will provide prebiotics for those good gut bacteria, so they can come in good shape. And thereafter, if you start after 1 week or 5 days later this probiotic food yogurt, so this will be helpful for you to better your digestion. Okay, and so in this way you have to use this yogurt. At the same time, after all of this, if you are not getting better result in digestion, okay, and things become more worse actually. So in this context, you have to understand, you have to stop this food right there. You don't need to take any more, and thereafter you must consult with your doctor to resolve the issue, because of probiotics it itself, but at the same time it has a certain strains there. So these are the, I mean, that maybe is not useful for you for that point of time. So definitely you go and ask your doctor whatever the problem is and sort it out the thing. Thereafter you can take yogurt if your problem has been resolved. Okay, so in the secondly, those are the general one, and also those are the athlete one. So for them, those are general persons, they can take yogurt at any time. Okay, there is no issue. And if you are not having any issue such allergies or any digestive issue with yogurt and all, then you have to avoid it. Otherwise you can take anytime and how much you want. Okay, but it's better to maintain 200 gram to 250 gram. Okay, so on the other side, for athletes, you also can take anytime yogurt, but at the same time you should avoid taking yogurt before your workout, at the same time after your workout. Okay, because of yogurt made from milk, and milk, all we know, containing with casein protein and whey protein. So casein protein is there, most of, there is 80% of casein protein, and also 20% rest of is whey protein. So casein protein is a less absorptive protein. So therefore if you take before your, as a pre-workout meal, so it will make you heavy, and at the same time not gives you much energy and all. And at the same time later on, after the workout, if you take it, that time definitely our body needs, instant, you know recovery, and therefore we need to we should intake that amount of, required protein, fat, carbs and all. So in that context, definitely, fat less, but mainly protein and carbs at that point of time. So definitely if you are taking this one, it containing with casein, is less absorptive and it will take time to resolve this issue. So that time I am not suggesting you to take yogurt after workout and pre-workout. Okay, but after all of this, if you are, not managing your meal after your workout, so somehow for some day or for certain period of time you can take yogurt, but at least as a pre-workout meal it's not allowed in any way. Okay, and out of this two time you can take any time of a day. Okay, and at the end I am giving you a percentage of protein, fat and carbs is present there in yogurt. So therefore it will be useful for you to adjust your protein, your intake, fat and carbs. Okay, so normally normal milk that we used to get, so normal milk, what I am talking, actually normal yogurt that we used to get, that is made from tone milk, okay, or normal milk. Okay, so that time it containing with 4 gram of protein, around 4 gram of carbohydrate, around, and 3 gram of fat. Okay, at the same time those are the yogurt made from low fat milk. Okay, so it's containing with similarly 4 gram of protein, around, and also 4 gram of carbohydrate, around, and on the other side fat bit less than normal one. Here 2 gram of fat around. Okay, at the same time fat, I mean fatless milk, if it's made from that fatless milk, so in that context you will get 4 gram of protein, 4 gram of carb around, and no fat will be present there. Okay, so according to your adjustment you can add this one in your diet. Which one will be preferable for you, you should choose that one and go with that in your daily diet. Okay, as I have just mentioned to you how you have to add. For athletes, pre-workout, post-workout not allowed. Any time of a day they can take, like general person, and general person also similar. And but at the same time we should maintain within 200 gram to 250 gram. Okay, and those are the ones to improve their digestion. They can take any time in a day, but at the same time it's better if they start taking prebiotics food before, and they adding this probiotic yogurt in their diet for a week, like vegetables. uh, Also in the morning, very first morning, if they take lime water, and also additionally if they take a slice of ginger per day. So these are the prebiotics food that will, and also lime also helpful to in production of enzymes, and also some of them are useful to detoxification of your body. So if your body detoxified well, and at the same time you are taking prebiotics food, so your gut health, I mean good gut bacteria will improve. And at the same time, that time after that, after 1 week you are taking this or all, I mean vegetables, limes and ginger. After 1 week, if you are adding this yogurt in your diet, so this will be helpful for that point of time. But on the other side, if it's not works for you after that, even and things getting worse than that, worse than before, so that time you must stop it and consult with your doctor. Okay, so that's all for now. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. At the same time, don't forget to subscribe this channel and take a very good care of yours. So that's all for now. Till the next one, stand in fear with confidence. Goodbye. Take care.